Okay, today it's gonna be Nacho and Jigsaw.
What the fuck is your problem?
And they're about to fight right now. Let's see who wins. Jigsaw. Oh, 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 oh. Not fighting for real. Just you guys.
Dude, something in my wrist has snapped.
I felt a funny bone and now my pinky is swollen.
Are you serious? Let me see.
No, no.
That hurt, dude.
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Where's your pinky? Where's your pinky?
Are you okay, dude?
What's wrong with it?
Oh, wait.
Wait, that's your pinky.
Is that okay, dude?
Alright.
Alright.
You got numb.
Look at me. And you supposed to fight normal, dude, not for real.
I'm not fighting for real. I fight to win.
Why is that?
Because I'm a winner.
And why is that?
You can't change that.
And why is that?
No, it's like...
What the fuck are you doing?
That's all him right there.
What are you doing? Do some stuff. Do some stupid stuff. Come on. Alrighty. That was weird. Let's try that again. Try that again. Okay. You did that all over again. That's okay. Do something else. Fail. You kind of. Ooh. Hey, someone's mad right now. You want some nachos?
Hey. Tequila, los nachos.
What the fuck?
No, man.
Como siempre, la de los nachos.
Speak. You live in this country. You speak this language.
I
Okay?
speak your language.
Speak this language.
Okay, yo later. Mario.
This guy's pointless. I
What?
can't fight this guy.
Why
I
not?
can't fight him.
Why?
He don't want to fight.
Why?
Because he's a dumbass.
Well, what
He
can I
doesn't wanna
say?
fight.
Está loco ese.
Shut up!
You are speaking my language?
You're asking for it, man.
Asking for what? What the hell? I'm running.
Better keep running. Right, go away. Shut up, man. Get mad now. Turn off.
Oh, let's go with this one right here. Wait, do that again, What are you doing?
Ah!
The fuck are you doing, man? Come on, do that shit, dude. Come on. Go. Alright, dude, I want you to jump in right now. Go.
Ah!
Ah.
Where you going? Huh? Go. Once you get back here, fight like a man.
Oh. What the hell was that? Come on, dude. Ow. I heard that. Come on. The Toro Man.
El Toro. Toro.
Oh.
Alright, that's it.
No, this is